Today, we're talking about intergenerational trauma, which is very different from historical trauma and cultural trauma. So, when I'm talking about historical trauma and cultural trauma, I'm talking about trauma that is carried through cultures and history and through generations, through certain people groups. So, for example, Aboriginal Torres Strait Islanders, people of Australia, talking about First Nations people in Canada and America, talking about African American people who carry down the history and the cultural trauma and historical trauma through what was used to be slavery and now obviously coming out of that, but there's still that historical cultural trauma. Okay, so we have historical and cultural trauma, which does tie into intergenerational trauma, but that's also a historical and cultural identity thing that's carried down. So that's just a little bit different. So I'm not going to talk about that